Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video, I'll show you how to find a specific email in Gmail. If you want to find a specific email which you need, then watch this video to find the email. Let's follow me. Before starting the tutorial, please subscribe our channel. Now let's start. First, open Gmail app on your phone. Then if you need a specific email, then tap on this search bar. Now type a word which you remember. You can filter this. See here, there are a lot of filter item here. You can use those filter. Then tap on search. See here, all of email are here with Google. That's it for now. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. If you enjoy this, please like this and also subscribe our channel for more interesting tech videos. Thank you.